when people say like God created everything and you say what created God, they say, oh, that's illogical because God always was and always will be. But then when you bring up the argument that the universe could have always existed, the counter argument is, well, that makes no sense. Something had to have created it. But then when they say, okay, well then what created it? God. Well, what created God? God always was and always will be. But that's not illogical, but the fact that the universe could have always created is illogical. To say a creator created the universe is a logical train of thought, right? Because we have been created by things before us. So it just follows suit that something that has been created has something that created it, something that created it. And at some point, there has to be an end in sight, right? So you have to always say the universe always was or will be, or you have to say God always was or will be. Because at some point, there had to be a definitive starting point in your mind from like or no starting point, rather. Like God had no starting point, or the universe had no starting point. In the Bible, it says that God is the Omega, the Alpha, and the beginning and the end. God is the Alpha and the Omega. Okay? You could say God is the beginning and the end, but by that logic, that also doesn't follow human logic. Similarly to the universe always being in existence.